Guys, if you're struggling to get leads and you're a finance company, I can share with you the easiest and best way to generate leads using Google for any finance company. This is super powerful, guys. So let's dive in and let me show you.
So guys, welcome to this training, and this is all about, if you are a finance company, how to generate leads using Google for your finance company. Guys, it doesn't matter what type of finance company you are. Google is so powerful, and we've got a ton of students inside of our Google coaching program that offer life insurance, business loans, personal loans, pet insurance, right? It doesn't matter what it is within the finance world or whatever type of finance business you have. Google is powerful. And today I'm going to show you how to ethically steal your competitors' keywords that they are using, how to best research your keywords for your finance company, and how to write your Google ad so that you can stand out and you can get all the leads, and also how to avoid all the mistakes that I see all the time. So many mistakes people make when it comes to writing an ad for Google or marketing on Google. But you have to remember, guys, that Google is such a powerful platform. And if you can understand and know how to use it, then it will really benefit your business and you'll get a lot of leads in for your finance company. Another thing I'm going to show you as well, guys, and it's a huge mistake I see people making all the time, is structuring your landing page correctly for Google, okay? It's not about building a massive website or a huge landing page. It's all about being very specific in your messaging and your targeting. But anyway, let's dive in. So, right, in this example, guys, I am pretending that I am a personal loan business, okay? So in this example, now you need to think about your finance company and what you offer. Do you offer insurance? Do you offer business loans? Do you offer student loans? Do you offer credit, repair, whatever it might be, right? You need to follow this exact strategy that I'm going to show you for your own business. So again, this is an example. So I'm going to pretend I offer personal loans in the finance world, and I want to get leads for personal loans. Now, there's a few mistakes that people make all the time using this. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download or look at the free Google keyword planner. So you can just go online and you can type in Google keyword planner, and it's a free tool, right, guys? So what you want to do is you want to think about your finance business, and you want to come into Google and you want to type in whatever it is you offer. So in my example, I've put personal loans and also personal loans for. Now, top tip for you guys, right? Top tip. Use the word for, because what that will do, it will tell Google to go away and come back with more longer tail keywords that then you can start using, and then we can start putting it into our ad here. So this is an ad I'm going to go through in a minute to show you how to best use your keywords and your ad. And the other thing is, well, think about who and why people want your finance service. So in this example, I've put personal loans for self-employed. Okay, so I'm not just going after the personal loan keyword. It's too big, it's too massive. Let's say, for example, you offer life insurance, right? So you could say life insurance for doctors, life insurance for teachers. Do you get what I'm saying? It's not just life insurance. It's not just business loans. It's not just personal loans. It's too big of a market. You need to drill down, and this is some of the things I teach our students inside of our Google coaching program, is you need to really start thinking about your mini markets, the markets below your main keyword. And let me show you an example of this. So this is the mistake that I see people making. What they'll do is they will go after, let's say, there we go. Let's pull this example here. So can you see where it says personal loans? 450,000 searches a month in the US on personal loans. Now, this is the big mistake. People look at that 450,000 and go, wow, that's bonkers, right? I'm gonna go for that. I'm going to target that keyword. But guys, it's too broad. It's too generic. You want to be very specific. And the reason you want to be specific is because which I'm going to show you in a minute, is when it comes to writing your Google ad here, by being specific, you are able to talk to that person. So let's say in this example, I've put personal loans for self-employed. Now, people will look at that and they'll go, only 70 searches. I'm not going after that. But guys, out of that 70 searches, you can pick up 3, 4, 5 deals because you're being very specific and you're talking to self-employed people. You're not just going after the huge mistake that people make and they go after the generic personal loans, because you can be more specific in your language, in your headlines, and the way you speak in your ad by targeting more low competition, more low hanging fruit, more long tail keywords. So let me see if we can find another one just because I want to make sure you guys, I really want to make sure that this is understood and making sure that this is really making sense. So, for example, let's have a look at another low keyword here. So, let's have a look. So you've got to really take the time and don't just rush it. You've got to really look at what Google is giving you and start looking at the keywords and the low hanging fruit that you can. There we go. Look at this one, right? Look, low competition, according to Google, loan places near me. 135,000 searches, guys. So what you can start to do is you can start to tailor your ad, and it could be something like looking for a loan place near me. So I'm going to use this as an example when we write our ad. So I'm just going to copy that now. So can you see what I mean? I'm not just going after personal loans, because you cannot tailor your message to get that click, that person into your website. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's write an ad using that keyword that I have just found. So I'm just going to put, now this is how you structure your ad, guys. You need to look at the keywords here and you need to put it in the ad, but you don't need to be specific. Okay, you need to be not generic. Sorry, you need to be specific in your messaging. So you could put, now bearing in mind the keyword we're going after local loans. Where is it? Local loan places near me. So I'm just going to put local loans near you. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm being very, very specific in my messaging. Okay. And this is a top tip for you. Can you see it will come there as well? It will show in Google's listing, so you get more real estate as well. So your ad looks bigger. So I'm just going to put some, as we do some examples here. Want a local, can't type today, local loan service. Question mark. Question marks work great on Google Ads because if you are using the right language and the right keywords. So you're asking a question, people go, yes, I'm looking for a local loan service. And then they're more likely to click your ad. So, and let's put that keyword in, local places near me. And then you can also go, local loan places right near you. Right near you. And you can also say things like, have a bit of fun with it, right? Because humor works well on Google. We don't see enough humor. Something, again, I teach my students inside of our Google coaching program is have fun with the keywords you're targeting, because you're going to come across more human. You're going to come across more likable as well. So loan places, right next door. Right next door. Again, it's time. Can you see what I've had a little bit of fun with that? So loan places right next door. And you can then sort of say, want a local loan place today. And then you can also put question mark. Question mark, again, guys, works great. But can you see what I'm doing? I'm typing keywords and I'm going after this specific keyword because in my messaging, that's what people are going to be typing in. So this is what I want to put in my ad. And then you can put, again, reiterate that, but use slightly different. Loan places near you right now. Perfect. That fits 30/30. And then when it comes to your actual description, again, ask the question. We know they're looking for a local place. Are you looking for are you looking for a loan place near you? So let's try that. Question mark. Okay. We be approved by local loan place right near you. Can you see what I've done there? So let's have a look. So I'm just going to move my face over, and then let me just show you the ad. Okay. So bearing in mind, again, keep reiterating this, guys, because this is a big mistake people make. They go after the big, shiny, golden, huge volume keywords, and that's the wrong way to go if you want to be successful on Google, because it means you can speak the language and tailor your ad specifically to that keyword. So here we go. Look, loan places right next door to you. Let me just see if I can get another ad, which is it. There you go. Okay, so there we go. Loan places near me, loan places right next door. Are you looking for a loan place near you? Be approved by a loan place. So can you see I'm being very, very specific in my languaging, because I know people are going to be using that when they type into Google. Now, let's go into something really cool, really clever that people do not use. I want you to think about your business. And I've typed in, again, for this example, personal loans. Now, Google gives you a lot of really cool, very valuable information that people do not use. So again, think about your business. Do you offer life insurance, pensions, business loans, student loans, whatever it might be? Go to Google and type in the business that you offer. And halfway down the page, you'll get like suggestions that you can start to play around with. So you can then copy this, and you can put that into your Google free keyword planner, and you can start to uncover different types of other keywords that may be suitable for your business. Let's have a look. So you could, there you go. Look, you could create a whole campaign and ad around that. Are you looking for an easy loan? Have you tried your banks but been refused? Do you want to be approved by just getting an easy loan? So can you see what I mean? I'm not just using personal loans. It's too generic, guys. It's too vague, too generic. So here we go. So Google gives you this information, but also if you go right to the bottom, right, you're going to get a ton of different. Also, let's go right to the bottom. Let's see if Google gives it. I hope it does. Now I've said it. So you will get different information as you keep going. So you've got to keep scrolling down. And then what Google will do is it will give you different types of information. So let me see. So here we go. Look what I said before. 4. This is what I mean by other information. So using the word for. So go to Google, type in personal loans for bad credit, for self-employed, for cars, for poor credit, for students, for home improvement, and do the same. Let's say, for example, you offer life insurance. So life insurance for mums, 50s, women, couples, overweight, 70s. Can you see, guys, lots of information. You're not just going after the big generic keywords. So now you can create an ad for life insurance for diabetics, life insurance for couples, so you can start to create a very, very specific ad. Now, another really cool thing I want to show you, which is awesomeness, and it does take a little bit of time to research. So I'm just going to pick one of the personal loan companies. So let's go into one of these websites. Now, what you want to do is that you want to then right click, and you want to go and look at something called view page source. Once you click that, you then want to do Control and F, and you want to type in a keyword. So let's type in loans in this example, and you can start to get different ideas from, here you go, who would have thought looked like that? Kitchen loan. People looking for kitchen loans, redecorating loans. So now you can then go back to Google and you can start to type in redecorating loans. So you do the same for your, I would never have thought of people wanting a loan for redecorating. But you can do that. So you can start to really play around and start to get to really different ideas on how to use this and how to best discover golden keywords, which, by the way, guys, don't forget, you then put that golden keyword into your ad. So then you're being specific. So basically, when somebody types in loans near me and they see my ad, they're going to be more enticed to my ad than any other ad because I'm talking to them directly, because it's what they're actually looking for. Now, something else I really want to show you, which is really cool. So let me just do this. Now, this is an example of one of our students who set up this type of page inside of our Google coaching program. You get an ad on Google, and then you want to be very specific on your landing page. Can you see that how clean this page is? You've got the headline. So yours would say, let's say, personal loans quotes, or be approved for a personal loan. It's very, very simple. It's to the point, and it mentions just about a loan. So let's say you a pet insurance. So this is a couple of students inside of our Google coaching program offer pet insurance. So you click on an ad that says pet insurance, and it's just a very clean, simple page. I see so many mistakes whereby people are just getting up a landing page that has lots of different links, lots of content. You need to be very specific. It needs to match your ad. So your search phrase in this example is loan places near me. My landing page would be loan. Are you looking for a loan place near you? Can you see how it then ties up and syncs up with the ad? Keyword and ad and landing page all sync together. So, guys, listen, I hope this has been useful. I say we've got a very successful Google coaching program where we teach our students more in depth Google strategies for any type of business. And there's a link somewhere around the description or the video. Click on that. There's a free training that you can go and register and view that. But yeah, hope it's been useful. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more content like this. But guys, hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to catch you on the next video.